Assalamualaikum, Usman, a language learning YouTuber from Pakistan. Today we are going to learn how to say hello in 3 languages because one language just is not enough for our overachieving egos. And because saying just hi is like showing up to a wedding in pajamas. Technically correct, but deeply embarrassing. We are going full international, passports ready, accents optional, and drama guaranteed. Considering Chinese language, in Chinese we say ni hao, which literally means you good, which is kind of sweet. Like they are not just saying hello, they are checking on your mental health. I would say ni hao Ali, did you do your homework? Oh, Ali answered that he didn't, but I think he's still good. Ni hao. Now in Spanish, we say hola. Not to be confused with ooh la la, which is French and gets you into romantic problems. Say it with me, hola. Don't shout, because if you shout it loud enough, someone from Spain might just start dancing flamenco behind you. And if we go to Turkey, in Turkish we say marhaba. It sounds like you are about to tell a story. Marhaba, once upon a time in Istanbul. It's a warm and classy greeting, the kind that sounds like your ears just got invited to an elegant Turkish wedding. Moving towards Urdu. तो दोस्तों हाय कहना छोड़ो, दुनिया ग्लोबल हो गई है. चाइनीज़ में बोलो नी खाओ, स्पेनिश में बोलो ओला और तुर्किश में बोलो मरहबा. तो अगर आप पिज़्ज़ा ऑर्डर कर रहे हैं और वो भी चाइना से, तो नी खाओ बेस्ट है. और अगर चाइना में सेल्समैन स्पेनिश निकला तो ओला बेस्ट है. लेकिन अगर वो पिज़्ज़ा इस्तांबुल से आया है और डिलीवरी बॉय ने मूछें बढ़ा रखी हैं, तो सिर्फ एक बात कहनी है मरहबा, वरना वो सिर्फ सेल्फी लेके चला जाएगा. So next time you meet someone from Beijing, Barcelona or Istanbul, don't just say hi. Say ni hao, hola, marhaba. Because we're not basic, we are multilingual legends in the making. और हाँ, होमवर्क करना मत भूलना, कमेंट करके लिखो नी खाओ, ओला, मरहबा.
Hmm.